Welcome guys, welcome to our channel Sports and Live. In this particular video, what are the things which we are going to see is who are the players that CSK may retain, and secondly we are going to see which are the slots which will be open in CSK. Thirdly, we are going to see who will be the likely options, and also we are going to see whom they might buy back. So firstly, seeing CSK team, definitely they will go for four players because they believe in a strategy that they need to retain the core. So that's what they are going to do, and their purse will be deducted by 42 crores out of 90 crores. So definitely people were asked that whether Dhoni should be retained or no. So 73% of the people have told that he should be retained. So we will pick the maximum amount of percentage answer as our answer. So Dhoni is retained. So this is not my choice. Definitely this will be my choice, all the four. But in one of the slot, definitely I have a debate over there. So secondly, the question was like, who is the Indian player who needs to be retained along with Jadeja? So most of them have told that Ruturaj needs to be retained. So it is around 81%, and others have got only percentage in single digits. So definitely Ruturaj wins the race on this. And who will be the foreign player who will be retained? So over here I really had a dispute that Faf du Plessis should be the player because he's a captain material, as well as he has scored a lot of runs for CSK, and he's one of the winning cause whenever they have won their championship. So that's what I think, but most of the people think that it's going to be Moeen Ali. So currently we are trying to see as Moeen Ali as the slot. Please do comment if you think something different, if it is Bravo, Karan, or some other player in your mind. So definitely this is going to be seen, and no one has any doubt that Ravindra Jadeja is going to be retained, and he'll be playing for yellow color again. So I just saw a match against RCB in which he single-handedly won the game for CSK. So let us see what is the composition in which they are going to go for auction. So this is going to be special in our video. So than any particular. The first focus for auction is that they have one opener in Ruturaj, and they have somewhere around three down and four down player in Moin Ali. Why he was selected is also for the reason that he bowls off spin. So that is one thing. Dhoni likes people doing multiple jobs. So if I am taking Dhoni to be at number 6 and Sir Jadeja to be on number 7, so what slots open over here is an opening slot. So if possible, they need to buy back Faf du Plessis. I think Faf du Plessis will be really costly, and they need to buy two more batsmen at 3 and 5. So usually what CSK try to do is they try to fill it with Indian players, or they'll go with opening as Indian players, and in the middle order they will keep a foreign player. So this is what they believe in. So as per what I feel is like they are going for one of the all-rounders in foreign slot, or they are going to go for one player as opening slot. So in different options they have, definitely they have Faf du Plessis. In a cheaper side of auction, they can also go for Chris Lane or even Lewis. So these two are also very good option. Otherwise they can also go for Jason Roy. So the I am giving options as per the budget they have. They will not usually spend a lot of money on an opener, but they will be very quality opener and an experienced opener. So all the list which I have given, definitely they may have a look into it. And at number 3 or 5, definitely over here at number 5, I'll tell later. In number 3, definitely they will be looking into Karnataka's captain Manish Pandey, because he has scored a lot of runs and he will be coming for cheap. Otherwise they will be going for someone like Ambati Raidu. So Ambati Raidu is a class player. So definitely they might be going for him. At number 5, definitely most of the teams will not allow CSK to bid a costly player over there. So what CSK might do is, like, as they are very clever in the auction pool, definitely they'll be waiting for Deepak Huda or SRK, that's Shah Rukh Khan, who belongs from Tamil Nadu. I think they will wait for him. Another option which is really good is like Abhinav Manohar from Karnataka, and if not, last but not the least, they may go for Mohammad, or they may go for Shahbaz Ahmad or somebody like that. Definitely, they are not going to give all the money for the same player. So that's what I think. And in the bowling option, definitely they'll be going for one foreign option. They usually go for a cheaper base price fast bowler. So that's what they are going to do. And base price spinner. Maybe this time I feel that it could be Lamichhane for the first time in CSK color. I don't know why. Or they may go for Zampa. Either of them, I think, because sometimes it is very important to have a class leg spinner in a Chennai kind of pitch. So apart from that, two people whom they want to buy back would be from bowling option. The first one would be Deepak Chahar. So Deepak Chahar always plays really well, and he tries to win the match within power play. So definitely he has won a lot of matches for CSK. So another one is all-rounder Shadul Thakur. So Shadul Thakur has increased his stature by leaps and bounds from last particular IPL. Definitely, I think he might be retained. So Chennai Makkal, if you really love my this particular video, and you think that it's informative, I need your support and love. So at least like the video or dislike the video if you don't like it, and if you really like it too much, please do subscribe, so I get motivation to do such good contents.